Hi, my name is Naomi Tan, and today I'm here with...
My name's Ian. I'm the superintendent for this project.
Where did you study to do this kind of work?
I went to school at Kwantlen Polytechnical University, and I did my carpentry apprenticeship and my Red Seal there.
How long have you been in this line of work?
About 20 years. I have not done other schools. I've mostly worked on hospitals, shopping malls, those types of projects.
How long will the total time of construction be from our groundbreaking to when our student can occupy the building?
It's about 22 months.
What do you find interesting about this build?
I find that I enjoy the building process, figuring out the complexities of, in this particular project, maybe the gym or the different elevation changes with working close to existing surfaces like the track. So those types of challenges kind of fuel me to keep doing projects like this.
Where are we in terms of timeline for this project?
We're right on schedule.
That's great. What makes you happiest, or what do you think is the most rewarding about this build, or maybe your job in general?
I enjoy walking around when things are complete and when I have scheduled certain things and it kind of comes in on time, and then I get a look at the finished product and kind of enjoy the fruits of the labor.
Okay, that concludes our interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you.